Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Worx replacement spools. These already have line on them. They're model number WA0004. You get 2 of them in this package. Let's install them on this Worx 20 volt weed eater. All right, so you get 2 of them and the string is already wound on them. Now, the string that's on these spools is 0.065 inches and it's 10 feet long. But I love that they're already wound up, ready to go. Now they are in this little hook here to help prevent it from unwinding, which we sort of need to keep it there until we're ready to take it off. So you're going to pinch these tabs. There's 2 of them. Pinch them. That takes the cover off. Now here's your spool. Mine's got string in it, but you're going to simply just take your spool and pull it out. Now you may need to blow this out or something. There may be a bunch of grass around here, but this has a bottom side, which is the gear side, and the arrow is the top side. And then when this is completely out of string, you can rewind it up with string. It's super easy. Just wind it up in the direction and put it in that little tab right there. So first thing we're going to need to do is take it out of this little loop, and that can be a little tricky, but take it now, hold the string. Don't let it unwind. We need to get a little bit of string out of it, okay? Now you can do one of 2 things. You can put it back in one of these loops, and then that kind of gets it ready while you feed it through this little brass hole right here. And again, the gear side goes down, pull it in. Again, it may twist around, but that's okay. Now, once you start to go into the spool, now you can pull it out of that little tab. Again, this gets a little tricky. And then sometimes it's a little easier, and sometimes pull it out of the tab and just hold it and kind of pull it as you go in. There's a couple ways of doing it, but you don't want that to unwind while you're putting it in there. Now, once you get it all the way down, it's in that gear and it's not going to unwind, but you want to be sure and get the cap on right away. All right, take the cap, pinch it on. Now it's at the right length, you know, but when it winds up, it is going to cut it off at that length right there. So you do want about that much out. Now, when you need to add some string, you're simply going to start the unit and press the button. That's going to let about a 1/4 inch out every time you press it. It stops the unit, it lets string out, and then it starts, when you let up, it starts the unit up again. So these look like really nice. I'm glad that I have 2 of them and they're ready to go. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.